Hey Bells, it is your girl Melissa Danielle. I am here to do a Fashion Nova shoe haul. Yes, this is sponsored. You guys know I'm a Fashion Nova partner, but as you guys know from all my previous videos, I always give you guys my honest opinion, and I think that's why you guys keep coming back for more. So anyways, I'm so excited because I'm doing a fall shoe haul, and you guys know fall is my favorite season. So I got 10 pairs of shoes to show you guys, and just to give you an FYI, I wear a size 11 wide. Fashion Nova does not carry wide shoes, but I get the shoes to try on and see which ones fit, which ones don't fit, so that way if you have wide feet, you'll have an idea if they'll fit you, or if you don't have wide feet and you're just interested in seeing the shoe and if you want to purchase it, then of course you can watch this video for details about that. So anyways, we're going to get right into this video. I'm going to be trying on all the shoes, give you guys up close and personal views, and let you know about the fit of the shoe. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Shoes are called Untitled Booties. They are a size 11 and they're $49.99. So this is what they look like. Very, very freaking cute. Combat boot style shoes. They also got that rich detailing on the bottom, which I love so much. They have that high shine patent leather look to it. Just a little bit muted. Like, it's not so super duper shiny. It just has a nice sheen to them. As you guys can see, they lace up in the front and zip on the side. These I would need in a 12 wide. Like, they're not long enough and they're not wide enough, but they're so cute. Oh god, Fashion Nova just be still in my heart. But this is what they look like. They are so adorable, you guys. But yeah, I would definitely need them to be a little bit longer and of course wider. But if you got some slim feet, you guys go ahead and stock up on these shoes because they're too cute. So guys, unfortunately these shoes do not fit. They're actually really uncomfortable, so I need to take them off, but I do want to show you them on. So to give you a better idea of the shoe, this is what they look like. These are called Next Collar Heeled Boots, the color red. They are $59.99, and I got the size 11. And these do not fit on me, baby. It's so crazy because I know better than to get pointed shoes, but I was just so excited when I was ordering my shoes because they're so cute. I got a whole lot of pointed shoes, but yeah, these don't fit me. But this is what they look like. They're very sexy. For some reason, they're giving me Mary J. Blige vibes. I don't know why, but they are. This red is popping. This snake print is popping. They are just so freaking beautiful. It has a gold exposed zipper piece right here, and then it's red. Lengthwise, like, because they're narrow, so for me, it's sort of hard to tell if they fit true to size. But baby, they are not wide feet friendly at all. But they are super sexy. So these next shoes are called Bratty Moment Platform Slides. I have the color hot pink. They also come in black and leopard print. I have a size 11, and these are $29.99. Oh my gosh, you guys, these shoes are so freaking cute and different. I like these for fall because they are covered in fur. Like, there is fur all over the entire shoe, even on the sole of the shoe. So like, it's all covered in fur. And like, they're platforms, they give you height, and they're so comfortable to throw on and go. The fur is super duper soft, you guys. They're so cute. Platform is very hard and sturdy. I mean, look at that. That pink is so freaking hot. It's vibrant. So like I said, they come in leopard print and they come in black. These are a size 11, and these are definitely wide feet friendly. Like, I feel like my feet have room. Like, they are comfortable. So like, if you don't have wide feet, I don't know how they're gonna fit on you, because my feet are comfortable inside these shoes. Like I'm real good. Oh, they're cute. I can't wait to wear these out. So guys, I'm not even gonna try with these because they do not fit. These are called What's It To You knee-high boots, the color Nude. They come in like a red, blue, like a blue-green color and a black. Size 11, and they're $59.99. These ones I can't get on at all because there's no zipper. So you just have to slide these boots on. But there's no zipper in it at all. That's what the heel looks like. These are so sexy, you guys. And then like, they have like that, what is it, snake print, alligator print, whatever you want to call it on there. This Nude is like so phenomenal. It's like warm and like, I don't want to say red, but it has warm tones to it. Oh my god. I wish I had skinny feet. Like, I don't know why. Everybody got something in life, you know. But these are so bomb. Just beautiful. So these are called the Fanatic Booties. Got them in a size 11 and they're $49.99, and I am obsessed with these boots. Like, oh my god. Like, this was like my favorite pair so far when I was ordering my boots, and I was like, I really pray they fit, and they fit so perfectly. They're so freaking comfortable. I love Fashion Nova's heel boots because like they'll give you a platform in the front, and then the heel is always really sturdy. It has like this fur around the tops of it and down the middle, and the fur is super duper duper soft. I wish I had a blanket made out of this. It's so soft. As you guys can see, they lace up in the front. Like, I love these, and I love the tread, like the stippling. You see how it's like jagged in there? Like, I don't know how to describe it, but I love that. So it gives you some grip and support when you're walking, and they're so comfortable. Like, the heel is high, but since they have that platform on there, they're not uncomfortable or awkward to walk in. Oh my god, these are amazing. God, they don't fit, you guys. So these are the not playing around heeled booty. These are $59.99, so $60. And of course I have the size 11. That's what they look like. They're so long. They go all the way up to your upper thigh area, like way up, because you guys can see like it's still sort of bushy down here, so like this, it goes up a little bit longer, but of course, you know, I'm plus size, so they ain't accommodating my thighs like they could. But oh, they're so sexy. Look at that. Like, I think this is the first time I've done a Fashion Nova shoe haul and I've had this many pairs of shoes not fit. Like I said, it's on me because I wasn't thinking when I ordered my shoes. I don't buy pointed toe shoes because they don't fit my feet. I don't know what happened. I think I was just like in this fury of excitement because there were so many cute boots on the website and I wanted to get them all. But I know better next time. I know. Quality is great. They're faux leather, and then they have this rouging detail that makes them look baggy on your leg, like scrunched up. That makes them look like scrunched up on your leg. It's really cute. You guys can see the detailing too on the zipper here on the side. You can see how it scrunches up on the side. It's like rouged. Oh, they're so cute, and they're soft, and they're so freaking tall. So these are called the West Hollywood Platform Slides. I got these in black. They come in pink, black, and white, and it's like a soft, like mauve pink, like a soft pink. I have the size 11, and these are $24.99. These are like fall to me because like you have your warm days in fall. Like today it's like 70 something degrees outside. So these would be comfortable to slide on and wear, and the fur is so thick that it sort of says fall rather than summer to me. I love this rhinestone detailing on these shoes. Oh my god. If you guys can see it in person, they just bling out of control. It's beautiful. So you get like a platform wedge on there. It's really, really cute. And they're really, really comfortable. However, for me, I do wish they would have came in a 12 because like these are too exact. Like my foot fits in there like too exact with no extra room whatsoever. So I would like to get them in a 12 if they had them, but unfortunately they don't carry them on the site. They only go up to an 11. I'm not even sure these even come in a size 12. But I'm still going to wear these. I do not care. People can say what they want, but they will say these shoes is cute. And this fur is so super duper soft, you guys. I want like a jacket made out of this fur. So they have rhinestones all across the front and all across the bottom of the sole. Look at that. Ah! Tell me this ain't cute. So, y'all, the key to this is if you have wide feet, don't order pointed toe shoes like this because they're not made for you. And I know that. So I want to show you. I didn't know that when I ordered them, but they're like a faux suede. They're super duper dark black. Just exceptionally beautiful. They zip up in the back. And that heel is everything. Like, look at the way it's cut. Y'all see how it just sharply, like, oh my god, they're so sexy. I wish I could fit them. I'm so sad. But it's just, I need them to be a little bit longer. They actually feel really comfortable inside the shoe. It's just the back of it. I can't zip the shoe up because my foot is a little too long. But they're actually very, very comfortable. Even the height and like the placement of the heel, because when you stand up, it just supports you perfectly. I can't describe it. Like, these are some bomb shoes. Perfect for fall. And the fact that they're full suede just makes them even better. They're only $39.99. And these are called Who Said Booty Black. And they come in, I think, like a brown or tan color as well. Oh, beautiful. These are called Pretty High Thigh High Boots. These are size 11. And they are $49.99. These also come in black. These cannot fit at all. I can't get my calf in them. The calf is so tiny. Like on me, they stop about here. Let me see if I can show you guys. So they stop about right here on me. They're supposed to come up to here. They're so cute. I received a, let me show you guys. So in a previous order, I received a different pair from Fashion Nova. These are called the Your Wildest Dream Heel Boots. Leopard print. Yeah, so I got these shoes. I don't wear open-toed shoes. Like, I'll show you. What do they call it? Pigeon toe? Peak toe? Like this kind of cut. I don't wear these because they tend to make your pinky toe get cut off. I don't like that. But I got these boots. And then also, I don't care for this kind of heel. But they're still cute. Like, I might wear them. We'll see. But I got these boots and they fit great on the calf. As you guys can see, like, they're wide. They go all the way up on my leg. And so, I prefer this style of boot. I prefer a rounded toe and I prefer a wide heel like that. So that way I know I have my support. And I can wear them for hours and be comfortable. So anyways, I ordered these because I wanted these more than I wanted these. And these ones are just too narrow on the leg. So I can't even put them on to see if they fit. Let me show you guys the difference. So you can see how much room you get more. You get all this leg room more. And these tie in the back. I even tried untying them and see if they'll stretch out more and they don't. So yeah, I'll probably just be wearing these. And these are stretchy too, you guys. Like they have a little bit of stretch to them. So if you want some leopard heel boots, you can get these ones. So you guys can see like that one really goes up. And there's still a little bit of room in here. So I can wear jeans with these or joggers, like whatever pants I want to wear. But they fit all the way up. But you see what I mean when I say the pinky toe gets cut off? I can't stand that. Oh my god, it's like one of my biggest pet peeves. So that's what these look like. They are still super duper sexy. So Belle's last but certainly, most definitely not least are these. These are called She's on Fire platform heels, the color black. Add them in a size 11 and they're $44.99, so $45, and they're worth every dollar. They're worth every freaking dollar. I hope my camera is picking up how these things are glimmering and shining and catching all the light, baby. Look at these, and they're so comfortable. You guys can see how tall that heel is. They have the platform on the bottom, so it sort of makes it easier to walk in, and they're so comfy. Oh, they're comfortable and they're sexy. Look at this detailing on this shoe. There's like little glass mirrors all over the shoe, baby. They did not skimp on these mirrors. Look at that. Oh, come on, Fashion Nova. Oh, Lord, these are beautiful, you guys. So that's the last pair of shoes in this haul. Hope that you guys enjoy. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know which pair was your favorite. I have a discount code. My discount code is ChinaXO. You can use that to save money on your purchase. And, of course, Fashion Nova is always having sales. You guys know this. So, like, get them on a discount. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you in the next video. So, until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.